Alright, what's good guys? Today I'll be talking about the Nokia 7 Plus. So I've been using this phone for about 2 weeks and I'm just gonna do a straight up 2 minutes review of what I can say about the phone. So if it just burst fire, whatever I think of, I say it. So yeah, it's gonna be authentic, so my true thoughts and everything I feel about the phone will be in this video. So yeah, start the timer now. Nokia 7 Plus, great design. I love the copper color on the sides and the 6 coating ceramic layer on the back. And the design is very durable. I dropped the phone 2 times, but there's no scuffs really. It looks pristine. So the design and the durability of the phone is awesome. So other than that, the screen, 1080p screen, but it's a 18:9 aspect ratio, so it's the 2280 by 1080, something similar to that. I'll put it on the screen. So DCI PG color gamut, so the color is really nice. So the screen overall, really great screen. Visibility outdoors is also good, so that's good. Yeah, the screen, okay, performance, Snapdragon 660, everyday tasks run smooth, everything's fine, everything looks great. Everything loads fast, so that's great. And the battery, a 3800 mAh battery can power me through a day and a half, or even more if I don't really use my phone much. But on heavy days, it powers me through the entire day, which is more than enough really. So I really like the battery on the phone, and it's one of the longer lasting batteries. I covered it with the software, which is Android 1. This one also on the latest Android 8.1 Oreo, so the software is really nice and smooth, but sometimes there's a bit of stuttering here and there because I think the software is not optimized, so I hope Nokia can fix that. And then the cameras, it's a Nokia camera, it does great in daylight, but once it turns dark, the photos get a bit grainy, a bit messed up. But sometimes I do notice that the photos get over sharpened, and yeah, videos is great, very nice stabilization. There's the Ozo audio in here, so that's great too. Headphone jack, USB-C, great additions for a budget phone, and the price is really friendly to budget conscious consumers out there. So if you're looking for a new Android phone, wants fast updates from Google, smooth performance, you want everything to run fine, perfect, the perfect Android experience, I would say go for the Nokia 7 Plus. You won't regret it. Once Nokia fixed the software hiccups and little stuttering issues, this will be one of the best phones you can ever pick up in 2018. Thank you for watching guys, and see you all on the next video.